Energy is life. Life is responsibility. Responsibility for the future. This includes an eco-friendly approach to the energy resources of Earth. Boiler tubes from Salzgitter Mannesmann stainless tubes are helping to achieve this goal. Because international energy needs are growing and prices are increasing, new solutions are required. Environmentally friendly, economical solutions. We are actively involved in the Coratech research program and support the development of a 700 degrees Celsius power plant. With over 50% efficiency, 700-degree power plants are designed to be more environmentally friendly than all previous fossil fuel power plants because they clearly reduce CO2 emissions. For us, this is an important step into the future, which we support with all our commitment. Because this supercritical technology in the construction of power plants relies on progressive piping solutions. A challenge which our experts accept with total commitment. In pursuit of this goal, we work closely with specialists of the Salzgitter Research Institutes for the continual improvement of existing materials and for the qualification of new materials. Materials with greater strength and outstanding corrosion resistance. In addition to our standard alloys, we also supply our customers with tubes in new specialized alloys. Our approved steel suppliers for supercritical grades are certified companies, exclusively from Western Europe. Diligent preparation is the basis of process control. In the end, every individual tube is produced consistently and to the highest quality. Skillful and reliable temperature control is essential. After initial expansion, the billets are rapidly returned to the appropriate controlled temperature in induction furnaces. The next step is a key process in seamless tube production, extrusion. The block is converted to tube by forcing it between an extrusion die to define the outside diameter and a mandrel, which controls the inside diameter. With a combination of reliable equipment, experienced employees, and modern controls, we approach this task in a very accurate and extremely diligent way. The extruded hollows are quickly cooled to avoid structural precipitation. The hollows are now straightened and pickled in preparation for further processing. In cold pilgering, the tubes will attain their final diameter and wall thickness. This technology requires a great deal of expertise and has been refined and developed from its original invention over 100 years ago by the Mannesmann brothers. In the process, the hollows are pushed over a fixed, tapered pilger mandrel. The pilger rolls and the mandrel are calibrated in such a way that they result in a consistently decreasing tube cross-section in the roll direction. In the final position of the run, the pilger roll releases the roll gear and the hollow is turned by 60 degrees. The final solution heat treatment gives the material its finished structural condition. Our customers expect and demand first-class products, without defects, without discrepancies. We take this high standard very seriously. At Salzgitter Mannesmann stainless tubes, we certify our compliance with the highest quality requirements using the most modern inspection procedures. A successful and proven process for the reduction of surface oxidation in the operation of a power plant is shot peening. In this process, the entire inner surface of the tubes is bombarded with austenitic particles. The aim of this process is to create a zone over 70 mu deep with a fundamentally finer grain structure. The grain boundaries created serve as pathways for chrome atoms, thus encouraging the development of denser oxide films, which form a barrier against further oxidation. We only use approved companies as suppliers of our supercritical raw materials, and we place a great importance on accurate process and close quality control in the manufacture of our boiler tubes, even when the production quantity is many thousands of tons. We even go further still. Salzgitter stainless tubes subjects various tube samples to long-term testing under realistic service conditions, comparable to those they will experience in real power plants. Only with this level of focus and commitment does one become one of the largest and most experienced suppliers of boiler tubes in the world, with one of the most comprehensive delivery programs. This success is a continual challenge for us, which we accept with enthusiasm. When will you challenge us? Salzgitter stainless tubes. Quality in round terms.